So how to add a map to your listing. Well, first of all, don't worry if you're not sure how to add a map. Just leave it blank and one will be added for you. If you do decide to add a map, I recommend that you go to your web browser, type in gimp.org and get this image manipulation program by clicking on download, and then if you're using Windows, this link here will download the installer for the program. Now, before you try and add a map, the first thing to do is to edit your listing and make sure that the latitude and longitude are entered, and this is the subject of another video if you're not sure. So once those numbers are entered, you can click on map and it will take you to Google Maps. Hold down Control and press 0 on the keyboard, and that will just make sure that your browser isn't zoomed in. Once you've done that, you need to be in map view, so click on map and then zoom out, and you can click on the minus here or roll the mouse wheel backwards. I normally zoom out until all of these road numbers are hidden, or you could go further out again, but this is fine. So here I will press print screen on the keyboard, which is up on the top right of the keyboard normally. From that pressed, I'll load up the GIMP software and choose edit, paste as, new image. Then if you press 1, that will put the zoom to 100%, and then you need to choose the crop tool, and with that crop tool selected you can highlight by clicking the left mouse button and dragging an area. Now this area needs to be in the size box 267 pixels by 200 pixels. So that's exactly the right size for our map. And then here in this drop down list where it says no guides, we need to choose center lines, and then I can see exactly where the center is. Then you hold the left mouse button down on this box and drag it to pretty much exactly on the marker, and then press return, and there's your map. So all that remains is to save the map. So if I go File, Save, or hold down Control and press S, and perhaps call it map, I'll save it on the desktop. Very importantly, it needs to be saved as a GIF or GIF type. So select file type and go down to GIF or GIF image and save, and then you need to choose export. Remove the tick next to interlace and GIF comment and save, and then you have the map on your computer. I can go back to my listing, click on browse, and as you can see here you need to upload a GIF map 267 by 200 pixels in size. And if it's not that size, it will not upload. So click on browse, and I should have a map saved here. Open, and there's my map.